Okay, I have to show you this because many of us have had this happen and it can happen to any of us at any time. So, over here under the sponsored ads, I was having at least 70 rank in the top 50 for the last 6 weeks or so. And then over here, I added some keywords last night. So I'm ranking for a lot more, but I was just dropping off like in organic here and there. So I've been asking around on what could be the issue. And one was that there's glitches with Amazon and it can just de-rank you or de-index you. So first check to make sure that all of your keywords are still indexing, but Helium 10 has this website. I think you might be able to use it even if you are not a member. And it's called it's got this anomaly tracker. So to get to this website, you have to type in helium10.com/ASA. Okay. And then what you can do is you can watch this video here that maybe explains it better than me. But if you run your data for the last 180 days, it will show you if there's been a disruption in your ads. Now, I'm not really sure why it is showing in August because I haven't ran ads until November, but it shows that it was right there. And then it shows that I was in the yellow, which was kind of a disruption in November, which is when I had my product last have this problem. And so I figured out that I was miscategorized into everything else. So check to make sure that you didn't get miscategorized, like they didn't flip you to the adult category or some other category too, as a reason that this might happen. But also, what you can do to check to see if this is an issue, you come back here and go to these three little dots on the right and view your BSR history. Now, check this out. I'm gonna do of all time, okay? If you've had an anomaly happen, you will have a break. See this break here in November? That's exactly when I had that issue. So this is all I know on this issue. I'm still trying to solve why I'm only having 1 out of 100, but I thought that this was just a great tool to be able to use if you should have this issue where you're showing that your sponsored keywords are no longer ranking. So I still have some research to do on this to figure out my complete issue, but I hear that there were so many Amazon sellers having this issue last year. So this tool was created for that purpose, and so I thought you might want to be aware of that. So that's it.